I leave for a cruise in 4 days. So I am pulling together all my last minute stuff to go into my carry-on bag. This will be my carry-on for the flight and the ship. So I'm trying to keep in mind what I may need for both of those boarding days. If you're interested in seeing what I'm packing in my carry-on, stick around. Hey y'all, I'm Ashley and this is All Bodies Travel, a travel channel about anything and everything travel, from road trips to cruise ships. And today, as you've heard, I am packing my carry-on. I'm using this eBags carry-on here. It's a backpack slash duffel bag. It's convertible, but I'm using it as a backpack. I've heard it's no longer available, so I will link something similar in the description box below. But I love this bag, and I'm so glad I got one before they quit making them or selling them. So first off, I have gear because YouTube stuff. So I'll be taking, my phone is currently on my selfie stick slash tripod right now, so I can't show you that, but I'll be taking that in my carry-on. I've got my little mics here ready for better audio than the last time I was on a ship. So I'm excited about that. And then I have my little electronics bag. And I've got a couple of USB-C to USB-C cords in here. I've got a USB-C plug-in American plug here. I've got my Anker magnetic battery slash phone stand that I'll be taking. It's all charged up and ready to go. Now in my Sipsy Wilder bag, my toiletries bag, I'll be putting my shampoo in here. It's a solid shampoo, so it'll be okay in here without any kind of special measures. I'll put it in a soap case, of course. I don't plan on taking soap because body soap I don't care about. I can use anything, but shampoo, the shampoo that they have on most cruise ships is not good. Well, at least on Royal and Carnival, and I'm going on Carnival. So I'm taking my own shampoo. Now in this pocket down here, I've got some face wipes in case I do decide to wear makeup. I have them here to clean my face with. I've got some random band-aids and some menstrual products here. And then I've got in this top pocket is the hook, and then also 3 pairs of earrings. I figure since I'll be wearing a 4th pair, 4 pairs should get me through 6 days. So that's that. And I'll link this bag in the description below. I'm not sponsored, not affiliated with Sipsy Wilder. I just love their products. I have a sling purse that I will also be taking. I'll be transferring everything in my regular purse into my sling purse to take with me because I like carrying it around the ship better than a regular purse. So getting into this thing, in the main pocket, I've got my clothing. I've got a change of clothes for, let's see, Saturday morning. I'm taking a dress with a little sweater. I decided to trade out the sweater I had in my bag that I had packed for another one that's a little bit lighter, has shorter sleeves. It has a lace cutout in the back. So it'll be a little bit cooler, even though the point of a sweater is to not be cool. I know, I get that, but I'm always too warm. So it'll be good for wearing in Miami. I do have an extra change of underwear just in case something happens to my bag. I want to have enough to get through. And then I have my extension cord. It is a non-surge protected. You can see here's the end of it. This is Anker brand, and it has 3 plugs on the sides, and then it has a USB, 2 USBs and a USB-C. So, and then it's 6 feet long. So this should be good enough for my stateroom to plug in my CPAP at night. During the day, I can unplug the CPAP and then put this up on the desk and plug in any electronics I need to charge. But the biggest thing is the CPAP access. Now in this top pocket here, I have all of my snacks that I got from the Dollar Tree that I'm taking. So they're all easy access. I have my boarding information. This is my barcode. This is, what else is this? This tells me what time to get there, my boarding group. It's all the paperwork. I like to print things off because it makes me feel better to have paper in my hand. I also have my transfer information because I did purchase the Carnival transportation from the Miami airport. It was cheaper. It was about $23 each way from the airport to the port. And I'm staying in a hotel that has an airport shuttle, so I won't have to take a Lyft. I might take one for like dinner on Saturday night or Friday night, but otherwise I won't need to take any Lyfts or Ubers or taxis or anything while I'm on this trip. So paperwork. I have my Carnival tags. I use the reusable luggage tags. They're nice and sturdy. I'll put this on my big bag when I get, well, before I get to the port, when I wake up on Saturday morning. And I have my Tide pen ready to go just in case. I have a little baggie of Purell singles and my spare toothbrush. In case I do forget to take my electronic toothbrush, I've got one here. Oh, and my toothpaste tabs are in here as well. So this is my kind of my hygiene baggie. I like the Purell singles because I can use those if I go to the buffet. I'll purify my hands. I'll sanitize my hands before I go in, but then after I get done handling all the tongs and stuff for getting my food, then I'll want to sanitize again because some people don't. So I don't want to get sick on this cruise. Makeup, I'm taking some eyeshadow, eyeliner. There's only one lipstick in here. There'll be more lipsticks in my purse. And then mascara. I'm not a big makeup wearer, so I probably won't even use it, but I'm gonna take it in case I want to get fancy one night or 2 nights or 3. And then here in another baggie, I have 3 necklaces. I'll be wearing a 4th on Friday when I fly. So this will be enough to get me through the week. There's 3 different styles in here, 3 different colors. So they'll go with everything. Let's see, there's something else. Oh, right here. I've got my Kleenexes that I found the other day in my travel box, and then the door lock for the hotel room. I'm going to try out and see how that goes. And I'm going to throw in my collapsible water bottle and a stick of deodorant. I like deodorant, like the stick deodorant, to use on my thighs to save myself from chub rub. I've got a stick of Body Glide around here somewhere, but I can't find it. So this may be what I use instead. And then my GoPro is currently charging, and I will put that in here along with extra batteries. The floaty stick is in my suitcase, and then hopefully I'll also have a waterproof case for my GoPro. So that is everything. Just a quick little video to show you what I'm taking with me in my carry-on for the airplane and the cruise. So keep an eye out for those cruise vlogs. I'm excited to share them with you on this solo cruise I'm doing on Carnival Sunrise. If you want to see my previous pack with me video where I pack my suitcase, you can check out this video. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Bye.